Cyanide lane. Negative on the sticks. Good sticks, southbound from 95th, right tires. Starting to deflate here. I'm gonna try to get in front, slow down. Box again. 209, we're in Illinois. I'm gonna box him in again up here. I'm in front of him, let's see if we can get him, guys. Contact. 209 intentional contact. 2 squads have been hit. We need to end this. Two 9 stopped here.
This is the Pleasant Police. All occupants of the Honda Civic, you are under arrest. You disobey our commands, the police dog will bite you. Do you understand?
Anyone else in the car? No, just me. Keep coming back. Drop to your knees. Drop. If you move, you will get bit.
We see you. Put your hands up, or you.
Who else is in the car?
There's no one in the car. It's just me. There's no one in the car. 100%.
Let's get him back.
It's just me. It's just me.
Weapon?
In the car, yes.
What's in the car?
Concealed carry, Glock.
You're under arrest.
32 in the car.
Yes, sir.
We're going to handle him. You got the car. We're good. Nice and slow.